This is going to blow your mind. Welcome to your fitness journey where every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this journey is all about embracing movement and finding joy in every workout. And hey, if you trip over your own feet, just call it a new dance move. Ready to move your body and feel amazing? Today, we're diving into a workout that's perfect for beginners. It's designed to be simple, fun, and effective, so you can start building a strong foundation for your fitness goals. And don't worry, no one's judging your workout phase. Today, we're talking about an easy workout. This routine is all about getting you comfortable with basic movements and helping you build confidence in your abilities. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every journey starts with a single step, or in my case, a single stumble. This is perfect for beginners. We'll be focusing on exercises that are easy to follow and can be done at your own pace. There's no rush, no pressure, just you and your commitment to improving your health. And maybe a few giggles along the way. No gym needed, just your awesome self. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to get started. All you need is a little space, some comfortable clothes, and a positive attitude. And maybe a pet to cheer you on or distract you. This workout is all about moving your body with joy. Forget about being perfect. It's not about how you look, but how you feel. Let go of any self-doubt and just enjoy the process. Dance, stretch, move in ways that make you happy. And if you end up doing the chicken dance, own it. We're here to have fun and feel good. Fitness should be enjoyable, not a chore. Surround yourself with positive energy, whether it's friends, family, or a supportive online community. Share your progress, celebrate your achievements, and encourage each other. And remember, laughter burns calories too. You'll be surprised how simple moves can make a big difference. Consistency is key. Even small, regular efforts can lead to significant improvements over time. Start with basic exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. And if you need a break, just pretend you're checking your form in the mirror. Are you ready to get started? Let's embark on this journey together. Remember, the most important thing is to listen to your body and have fun. Every movement is a victory, and every workout is a step closer to your goals. Let's do this. And if all else fails, just remember, sweat is just your fat crying. Our first move is the lazy cat stretch. This stretch is perfect for those moments when you just want to relax and unwind. It's gentle, soothing, and can be done by anyone, regardless of their fitness level. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, the lazy cat stretch is a great way to start your day or wind down after a long one. Plus, it's the only time you can act like a cat without getting weird looks. It's as relaxing as it sounds. This stretch not only helps to release tension in your back, but also promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. Imagine the feeling of a gentle, soothing stretch that melts away the stress of the day. That's what the lazy cat stretch offers. And hey, if cats can do it and look adorable, so can you. Imagine you're a cat waking up from a nap. Stretching feels so good. Cats instinctively know how to stretch their bodies to release tension and prepare for movement. By mimicking their movements, we can achieve the same benefits. Picture yourself as a cat, slowly waking up, feeling every muscle in your body gently elongate and relax. Just don't start meowing, okay? Start on your hands and knees. This position is known as the tabletop position in yoga. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Your back should be flat like a table. This is the starting point for the lazy cat stretch. And no, you don't need to purr. Breathe in and arch your back like a Halloween cat. As you inhale, slowly round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin towards your chest. This movement is often referred to as the cat part of the cat-cow stretch in yoga. It helps to stretch and strengthen the muscles along your spine. Just think of it as your chance to practice your best spooky cat impression. Breathe out and drop your belly. Easy, right? As you exhale, allow your belly to drop towards the mat, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This is the cow part of the cat-cow stretch. It helps to open up the chest and stretch the front of the body. The combination of these two movements creates a gentle, flowing stretch that feels amazing. And no, you don't need to move either. This stretch wakes up your back and feels amazing. It's a great way to start your day, especially if you wake up feeling stiff or sore. The lazy cat stretch helps to increase flexibility, improve posture, and relieve tension in the back and neck. Plus, it just feels really good. Who knew pretending to be a cat could be so beneficial? Do this a few times. Repeating the stretch several times helps to deepen the stretch and increase its benefits. Aim for at least 5-10 repetitions, moving slowly and mindfully with each breath. Remember, the goal is to relax and enjoy the stretch, not to push yourself too hard. And if you feel like taking a cat nap afterward, we won't judge. Feel the tension melt away. As you continue to stretch, you'll notice the tension in your back and shoulders start to dissipate. Your muscles will feel more relaxed, and you'll feel a sense of calm and well-being. The lazy cat. Stretch is a simple yet effective way to take care of your body and mind. So take a few moments each day to enjoy this gentle stretch and feel the difference it makes. And remember, if anyone asks, you're just channeling your inner feline. Next up, baby squats. No, not for babies, but you'll feel like one after a few. Don't worry, no actual babies involved. Just your legs crying a little. Imagine sitting down in a tiny chair. Like really tiny. That's the feeling we're going for. Tiny chair. Big results. Stand with your feet apart, like you're about to do a dance-off. Bend your knees and lower yourself as if sitting. Keep your back straight. Pretend you're a royal guard, like you're holding a crown, or a pizza, whatever motivates you. Squats make your legs strong enough to outrun a toddler. They're great for everyday activities, like reaching for the last cookie on the top shelf, like getting up from a chair, or escaping a boring meeting. Do a few and feel the burn, and maybe a little wobble. Time to get those arms moving. Arm circles are simple and fun, like waving hello to the sky, or maybe swatting away those pesky flies. Stand tall and stretch your arms out to the sides. Make big circles forward and backward. Feel those shoulder muscles working. Arm circles improve your flexibility. They also help your posture. No more slouching. Do a few more and feel the energy flow. And remember, if anyone asks, you're just practicing your invisible hula hoop skills. Section 5, parade in your living room, marching. Imagine transforming your living room into a vibrant parade ground where every step you take is a celebration of movement and health. Marching is not just a simple exercise, it's a dynamic way to invigorate your body and mind. Plus, it's the only parade where you don't have to worry about stepping on confetti. Ready to march? It's like a parade in your living room. Picture yourself leading a joyful procession, each step echoing with enthusiasm and energy. Marching at home can be a delightful and effective way to stay active, especially when the weather outside isn't cooperating. And hey, no need to worry about rain ruining your parade. This is great for your heart and legs, plus it's super fun. Marching helps to strengthen your cardiovascular system, giving your heart a good workout while also toning your leg muscles. The rhythmic movement can lift your spirits and make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a dance. Who knew you could have so much fun without a marching band? Stand tall and start marching in place. Imagine you're a drum major leading a band, your posture proud and your steps confident. Keeping your back straight and your core engaged will help you get the most out of this exercise. And remember, no baton twirling required. Bring those knees up high. The higher you lift your knees, the more you'll engage your core and leg muscles. This added intensity can help improve your balance and coordination, making each march more effective. Think of it as high knee marching without the military drill sergeant yelling at you. Feel free to add some jazz hands for extra flair. Adding a bit of flair with your hands can make the exercise more enjoyable and help you burn a few extra calories. It's a great way to express yourself and keep the routine lively. Plus, who doesn't love a good jazz hand moment? Marching gets your blood pumping. The consistent movement helps to increase your heart rate, improving circulation and delivering more oxygen to your muscles. This can boost your energy levels and leave you feeling more alert and invigorated. It's like your own personal pep rally. It's also a fun way to sneak in some cardio. No treadmill needed. You don't need any fancy equipment to get a good cardio workout. Marching in place can be just as effective as running on a treadmill, and it's a lot more fun. Plus, you can do it while watching your favorite TV show or listening to music. Who knew binge watching could be so healthy? March for a minute and feel your energy soar. Just a minute of marching can make a big difference. You'll feel your heart rate increase, your muscles warm up, and your mood lift. It's a quick and easy way to boost your energy and get your body moving. And hey, it's the only parade where you can be the grand marshal every time. Get the whole family involved. Marching is a great activity for all ages. Kids, parents, and even grandparents can join in. It's a wonderful way to spend time together and stay active as a family. You can even turn it into a game or a friendly competition to see who can march the longest or the highest. Just be prepared for some friendly family rivalry. Don't forget your furry friends. Pets can join in the fun too. Dogs, in particular, love to mimic their owner's movements. You might find your pet marching right alongside you, adding an extra element of joy to your workout. Just watch out for any tail-wagging collisions. Add some music to your march. Music can make any workout more enjoyable. Choose your favorite upbeat tunes and let the rhythm guide your steps. The right playlist can keep you motivated and make the time fly by. It's like having your own personal marching band. For an added challenge, incorporate some weights. Holding light dumbbells or even household items like water bottles can increase the intensity of your march. This will help to tone your arms and shoulders while you're working your legs and heart. Just be careful not to drop them on your toes. Don't forget to cool down. After your marching session, take a few minutes to stretch your muscles. This will help to prevent soreness and keep your body flexible. Stretching is an important part of any workout routine, and it can be a relaxing way to end your exercise. Think of it as the grand finale of your living room parade. Track your progress. Keeping a record of your workouts can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use a fitness app or a simple journal to log your marching sessions. Note how long you marched, how you felt, and any improvements you notice over time. It's like keeping a diary of your parade adventures. Enjoy the benefits. Regular marching can lead to improved cardiovascular health, stronger muscles, better balance, and a more positive mood. Plus, it's a fun and easy way to stay active without needing a gym membership or special equipment. So, lace up your sneakers, turn up the music, and start marching your way to better health. And remember, every step is a step towards a healthier you. No parade float required. Section 6, taking a breather, importance of rest. Woohoo, you've rocked these moves. Now it's time for a well-deserved break. Because even superheroes need a nap, right? Rest is just as important as exercise. Think of it as your body's way of saying, hey, I need a Netflix binge too. Take a moment to catch your breath. Drink some water, you're doing amazing. Hydration is key, and so is scrolling through your phone for a bit. Rest allows your body to recover. It also prevents injuries, and plus it's the perfect excuse to avoid doing the dishes, so breathe deep and relax. You've earned it, champ. Section 7. Listen to your body, finding your pace. Remember, this is your fitness journey, not a race to the fridge. Listen to your body and go at your own pace. Unless your body says nap time, then maybe a little faster. It's okay to modify the moves or take breaks. Exercise should feel good, like finding the perfect spot on the couch. If something hurts, stop and rest. You're in control, not your couch, you. Finding your pace helps you stay consistent, like a turtle in a marathon, and consistency is key to reaching your goals. Slow and steady wins the race. Section 8. You did it! Celebrating small victories. Congratulations, you completed a whole body workout. That's something to celebrate. Give yourself a high five or two. No one's counting. Be proud of yourself for showing up today, even if your couch was calling your name. Celebrating small victories keeps you motivated and gives you an excuse to eat that extra cookie. It also makes the journey more enjoyable, because who doesn't love a good laugh after a workout? Section 9. Keep moving and share your journey. I hope you enjoyed this easy workout. Remember, movement is medicine, and it's way cheaper than actual medicine. Find ways to move your body every day, even if it's just dancing like no one's watching. What are your fitness goals? To finally touch your toes, or maybe just to survive leg day? Share them in the comments below. We promise not to judge much. Let's support each other on this journey, because misery loves company, right? If you're feeling motivated, check out my channel for more fun workouts. And by fun, I mean slightly less torturous. Keep moving and keep shining, or at least keep moving until you can shine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Check the links below for exclusive content, resources, and our curated playlist to stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world. Thank you.